Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Miss Musinzi. Today we are taking a ride along the newly constructed Kilifi Road. It is now smooth, wide and such a joy to drive on. The road takes us through villages and small towns where you really feel the heartbeat of the coast. Life flows at its own pace here, with roadside stalls, children walking home from school, and the ocean breeze never too far away. From Kilifi, we are heading to Mombasa. The ride is now effortless, and we shall pass through several towns. Mnarani, which is just outside Kilifi Town, and it's home to the old ruins and the stunning ocean views. We shall pass through Kijipwa, a small stopover with local shops and roadside markets, and then through Vipingo and Kikambala as we head on to Mtwapa. So now what used to be a tiring trip is now a relaxed drive and smooth cruising. We are now at the Mtwapa Bridge. This road eventually connects into the Mtwapa Nyali dual carriageway project, which is a mega upgrade that's part of the Malindi Bagamoyo highway linking Kenya to Tanzania. The 13.5 kilometer stretch between Nyali Bridge and Mtwapa Bridge is already about 90% complete as of mid-2025. The new highway will have 4 lanes, service roads, modern drainage, footbridges and a grade separated junctions to finally ease the traffic we've all struggled with on this route. Once finished, it will change how people move between Mombasa city and the coastal towns and open up more trade across the region. The 13.5 kilometers road from Mtwapa to Nyali will have a dual carriageway on both sides of the road. There will also be interchanges, flyovers, and grade separated junctions. So we've passed through Mtwapa interchange. We are now in Shanzu, and as you can see, we also passed through the Shanzu interchange, which is near the Mombasa go-kart. This will help vehicles heading to hotels like Serena, Utange move without blocking through traffic. And then we head over to Bamburi Nyali interchange near City Mall and Nyali Centre, which is a very busy junction redesigned to split traffic heading into Nyali, Mkomani and beach hotels from those heading towards town. The road structure is also designed to have pedestrian and safety features such as footbridges for safe crossing in busy areas, walkways and sidewalks for pedestrians along the service lanes, street lighting for better visibility and security at night. The drainage and stormwater management includes a U-shaped drain and trunk drains to deal with heavy rains and flooding. We also have additional features such as the bus stops and laybys to organize public transport pickup and drop-off, landscaped medians to separate lanes and reduce head-on collision risk. There will also be space provision for future expansion and cycling paths in some sections. So after crossing Mtwapa Bridge, we enter Shanzu, a lively coastal. So right about now we are passing through Shanzu area. This area is located between Mtwapa and Bamburi, right after crossing the Mtwapa Bridge if you're heading to Mombasa. Shanzu, the vibe is known for its blend of local life, tourist spots. You will see small shops, roadside markets, and also hotels and beach resorts hidden along the coast. Shanzu Beach is one of the popular public beaches. It's much more quieter than Bamburi, with coconut trees and fishing boats. So the main landmarks in Shanzu is Mombasa go-kart, which is a fun spot with go-kart racing, paintball, and a restaurant loved by both locals and tourists. There's also a hidden gem, the Serena Beach Hotel and Spa, one of the oldest and most iconic resorts here in the area. We also passed through Shanzu Teachers College, a well-known institution in the area. So basically, the road development as part of the new highway project Shanzu is getting a major interchange which will help reduce traffic and make entry and exit smoother. Shanzu has always been a choke point because of hotels, beach access, and local traffic mixing with highway vehicles. The new interchange will separate local traffic heading into Shanzu, Serena Beach, Utange from through traffic going towards Mtwapa or Nyali. This means there's going to be less traffic jams. It's going to be faster travels between Mombasa city and Kilifi side and safer movement for both vehicles and pedestrians. Here at Shanzu, just near Mombasa Go-Kart, a massive flyover interchange is coming up. Before this was always traffic spot, but now the new design will separate highway vehicles from local Shanzu traffic. If you're heading into Serena Beach, Utange or the leisure spot, you'll use the flyover, while through traffic between Mtwapa and Nyali keeps moving below. This will completely change how traffic flows in this area. At a glance, you can see the full road stretch with overall dual carriageway work nearing completion, and it's reported about 90% work is done. Also, from the component breakdown, you can see at least 43% progress of the detailed elements like the interchanges and the drains etc. We've seen the interchanges and bridges. We have the Mtwapa Bridge and Nyali Bridge. Basically, there are 6 interchanges and 6 footbridges which are planned. Some completed, others in late stages of completion. So the 12-kilometer trunk drainage will be used as is the drainage infrastructure, and the U drains under construction to address flooding issues. Safety and amenities also are included. We have the new service roads walkways, lighting. From Bamburi Forest heading towards the Pirates Beach, you can really see the intensity of the roadworks going on. The section has always been the one for the busiest along the coast, with hotel, beach resorts and public spaces drawing in both locals and tourists. Right now, heavy machines are at work expanding the road, laying new drainage and preparing the base for the dual carriageway. Service roads are also being carved out as local traffic like tuk-tuk, boda-boda and matatus can flow without clashing with highway vehicles. It may feel dusty and congested for now, but once this section is complete, driving to popular spots like Pirates Beach or Bamburi nature trails will be much easier. And with the footbridges and walkways being added, it will also be safer for pedestrians who use this stretch every day. This is part of the bigger Mtwapa Nyali project, and here in Bamburi you can see just how massive the transformation really is. Here we are at the Bamburi Junction, one of the major interchanges on this new highway. While not fully finished yet, this spot will soon feature a smooth flyover that separates local traffic like those visiting Hala Park or the beach from the main highway. Construction is almost done, 90% complete. Plus right here in Bamburi, they have just opened a new concrete plant to make sure they have strong quality materials for this and other projects in the area. I'm here by your side and you look in my eyes and I think you're the one, 'cause I'm so hypnotized, yeah. You're here in the morning, but it's all in my head. I don't want this to end, to end. I won't let this be over. Want you to stay. If you let me closer, baby, give me everything. What are you thinking of? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, from Bamburi interchange, the road opens up as we head towards Baobab Junction. On the right hand side, you can't miss the stretch of Baobab Forest and Hala Park, a green reminder of nature right next to the modern highway. Hala Park is a nature park and wildlife sanctuary in Bamburi, Mombasa, and it was originally a limestone quarry site belonging to Bamburi Cement. In the 1970s, Dr. Renee Haller rehabilitated it by planting trees like casuarina and baobabs, creating wetlands and introducing animals. Today, it's a home to giraffes, hippos, crocodiles, snakes, fish, birds, butterflies, and many plant species. It's a popular tourist attraction for both locals and international visitors. A little further ahead, we are approaching City Mall, and nearby is Nyali Centre, which marks the heart of Nyali's commercial hub. This section has always been a traffic choke point, but the new Nyali interchange is solving that by separating highway traffic from vehicles heading into Nyali, Mkomani, and the beach hotels. From here, the road leads us uphill towards town, crossing the iconic Nyali Bridge and into Mombasa CBD. This whole stretch shows how the coast is blending modern infrastructure with natural beauty and urban growth. We are right here at the Nyali interchange, which is heading into town. As for us, we are heading into Nyali Links Road as I head home on our way to Mkomani. The beginning of Links Road starts at the Nyali Centre junction, which is the busy intersection where the main Mombasa-Malindi highway meets the road leading into Nyali. If you're driving from City Mall or Nyali Centre side, the junction is where you branch off from the highway on one side. You see City Mall and Nyali Centre shopping complex. Just after the traffic lights, the road that covers off to the left is Links Road. From here, Links Road stretches inwards, passing through the residential and commercial areas into areas like Mkomani, Kongowea, and eventually connecting towards Nyali Bridge, which links Nyali to Mombasa Island, the CBD. The Links Road is a busy stretch that connects the Nyali suburbs to Nyali Bridge and into Mombasa town. This road is always vibrant, lined with shops, restaurants, and access to estates and schools, making it one of the most important roads in the Nyali area. So now a big section of the Links Road is being dug up for some upgrade and some renovation, which means traffic flow is a bit disrupted, and because of this we had to use a diversion through Mount Kenya Road. This diversion takes you closer to the beach side, past hotels, residential estates, and restaurants, before joining the main road towards Mkomani. It's a temporary inconvenience, but once the project is complete, Links Road will be much wider and smoother, easing traffic from Nyali all the way to Nyali Bridge. We are now heading out of Mount Kenya Road and we're going to join back to Links Road. Yes, so the Links Road upgrade is part of the bigger Mombasa Mtwapa Highway expansion project. This stretch is very important because it connects Nyali Centre junction to Nyali Bridge, therefore carrying thousands of vehicles every day into Mombasa town. Right now, the road is being widened and modernized, and some of the works that are ongoing include expanding the road to more lanes for smoother traffic flow, installing a new drainage system to finally deal with the flooding that often happens around this section of the road that has been closed, and also adding pedestrian walkways, cycling lanes, and street lightings to make it safer for everyone. And all in all, it will be able to improve junctions like Mkomani to reduce traffic jams. Because of the construction, some sections are closed and motorists are using Mount Kenya Road as the main diversion. One of the projects is expected by January 2026. It will be complete. Links Road to be modern, safer, and able to handle the heavy traffic between Nyali and the Mombasa CBD.